Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. This is Sabrina. I'm a beginner day trader. My method is price action and I trade exclusively ES. Um, I'm currently in my evaluation account of Apex Trader Funding. My account size is 150K, and in order to get funded from Apex, I have to trade at least 10 days and reach a profit target of $9,000. My max drawback is $5,000. Um, this is my 11th trading day, and I have some job to do this morning. I don't feel well today, so I switched to swing trading. So today when I came back, that's around 2:40 Eastern time. So these are basically my trades here. So it's from 4:40 to 3:30. So I took some trades here, but all in my Sing account because I don't feel well today. So that's why I'm using my Sing account. If um, and I just start analyzing my chart using an hourly chart. So the hourly chart yesterday after the FOMC meeting, um, we see some buying pressure here. So the market reversed down and reversed up. Um, so basically the market reached our profit our measure move from the low of the point, middle point at a 42.40, and the measure move would be around 43.60. So it reached our measure move. And then for the overnight session, the market pull back, and we'll see like how many legs does it have? One push down, two push down, three pushes down. Three pushes down and the market reverse up. So this morning, my theory is since the market haven't break this 1 hour EMA, the market should continue to go up. So the market direction is always in long. And this is the second chart I'm looking at. So today the market opened with a gap. There's a bearish gap, but it's just happened to be in yesterday's buy-in zone here. The market went up, but it's not in a very strong bull trend. And the bars has big tails up and down. So these big tails signals that there are people buying here, buying below the open of this bar. I just enlarge it. So people are buying below the open of this bar. And this big tail on top of this bar means people are selling above this bar. But because the momentum is up and there is another recent day high here, so I guess if this bar didn't turn red and the next bar is still green, so the market would try to test this high here. And the market did not. The market went up to the close of yesterday and it reversed down. Um, but when it comes to this area, the market reversed up. So it looks like because our always in direction is long, so we should take this as our entry here. So buy below the open of the second bar that was 43.34. This would be a great entry. Okay, so when I came in, it was around 240 in this area. So when I see this is a big bullish bar at the EMA, and this is a second bullish bar. So my instant reaction was to go long. So I went long here. I went long here, and my target was a major move. I used this leg as the first move, and my target was around 43.93. That was almost around the high here. Um, but then I realized this is shallowed bullish channel. So if I bought here, the market reversed down. I bought two here, another two here. So at the channel line, so the market went up. I got out, almost got a few $100, and then the market reversed down. I sold one here because I saw this selling here, and when I looking at the chart, the hourly chart, I think we're high enough, and there should not be many people willing to buy here. Instead, there are people selling here because selling seems more profitable here, and we are close to the high of day. So I saw this channel, and I see when this bar form, the tiny bullish bar forms, and the next bar is reversing on it. I sold another one here. So when the market went down, I sold one here, and then I just kept watching the market went down. And when this bullish bar formed, it was at the low of it was at the low of this point. So I move my stop loss here, and I got stop out. So that switched my view to bull again. So when I'm looking at my 1 minute chart, I think this is the first leg. And since this leg has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 6 and 7 bullish bar in a row, so I guess there should be another leg up. So I jump in high long here. I jump in long here and sold here. I bought another two here and sold here, and then I saw this when this bar was forming. I saw the double top here, so I sold two here because it's close to the high, and I sold two here, and I went out here because I saw this bullish bar forming, and I just don't want to mess with mess the market in the middle of the trading range. So I went out, and this is today's trade. I think it's pretty good trading, but it's in the same account, so my profit does not count into my evaluation account, which means it's basically just paper trading. Um, but I also learned some lesson today. The first thing is if I'm not comfortable trading, I'll just switch to sing. Nothing lose. I can't lose anything, right? The second thing is if I'm relaxed enough, if I only focus on the market itself, but not my own personal emotion, um, I'll do a better job. Sometimes it's just the feeling of the market, and um, yeah, it's just need. I just have to put all my heart with the market. Do not feel any fear or greedy or anything. Just let the market guide me. I guess that's what today's lesson is about. And um, tomorrow, I will trade. That depends on how I feel tomorrow morning. And hope we can have a great trading week next week. All right, I hope you have a great trading day. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.